What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Technical Traders, doing some end of the day scans right now, and I'm looking at ticker symbol VISL. And right now, I have the daily chart pulled up over the last few months of price history, last 6 months. So as you can see, over the last 6 months, the price action has taken a beating. This is definitely not one in the bullish favor. However, recently today we had a ton of volume come in. So there has been some movement in the chart, and more on the intraday chart specifically. I do see some possible bullish setups that could be taken into a profitable trade. And like I said, this is going to be a bullish setup. I do not recommend shorting penny stocks. It's really just not worth the risk in my eyes. However, there could be money made there, but for me, we're just going to be looking at the bullish side of things. Now, I do have the daily chart pulled up, even though I said we're going to be looking at intraday, and I did this because I do want you to see that the overall trend of this has not been in the bull's favor. And as you can see, the volume here, here, and here, each day that this has happened, it's pretty much been a trap. As you can see, these long upper wicks, price has just been smoked right back down, then continue to make new lows after that. So today's action did have a little bit more of a bullish candle forming. So let's bring up the more intraday, the 5-minute chart right here. All right, perfect. So as you can see, in the morning, we had a nice bullish movement with an increase of volume. And that brought price from roughly $1.20 roughly to about $1.47. And then the price started to go sideways. And even though the price did not continue to climb higher, this sideways action was a pretty good sign for the bulls. This actually started going sideways in a consolidating fashion and formed intraday support right here at the 138 and had multiple areas of multiple times of testing resistance at roughly 145, 146, 147 area. We can kind of bend these areas a little bit. Now, overall, there was a little bit of wicks here, but for the most part, it was trading in this little sideways action. So what this is to me is this is a nice bull pull action and then going sideways in a consolidation fashion, causing a bull flag. Now, this sideways channel, even though I did say it was consolidation, it did momentarily pop above this towards the end of the day. However, there just wasn't enough momentum behind it, and the price did get brought back into this sideways channel. So looking this to go forward, I'm going to be only recommending this trade as a confirmed breakout trade, meaning that I'm going to want to see the area of 150 break with an increase of volume at the same time. I might even wait till the area of 155 to break, probably 155 actually. So I'd be looking at entering at 156, going long at that confirmation right there with an increase of volume at the same time. That increase in volume is going to be key. It's going to show you that there's a lot of momentum behind it, a lot of bullish momentum that's going to carry that price action up farther, and we're not going to get trapped in this like those other days that I showed you that bulls got smacked right back down on those high volume days. All right, so do not recommend this as a speculative buy, meaning you're buying within the pattern before you get confirmation of the breakout. We saw what could happen, so please, if you're going to take this along at past 156 on a confirmation of increased volume on the breakout. And where you can be looking at for areas of profit taking, we're going to pull out to the daily again. And I'm going to say this 180 right here is a reasonable area to take profits at. Now, I know that 156 to 180 might not be the largest move, but when you're looking at penny stocks like this, that percentage gain is actually pretty good. And you don't have to take off all your percentage there. You could take off, all your position there. You could always take off a quarter of your position, a third of your position, maybe half of your position, or all of it if you like. But just to lock in some gains, because penny stocks are very erratic, and it's always good to lock in some gains and give yourself some wiggle room. Well, traders, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. And check out our website, tacticaltraders.com. We are now opening our private 24/7 live chat room to new traders that want to check it out for free for 30 days. So again, check that out at tacticaltraders.com. And thank you for watching, traders. And until next time, stay profitable.